guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We have completed up to from character code. Today we are going to start with the concat. For this, let us quickly jump into the example. Before that, let us understand what do we mean by this concat method. This method joins two or more string. Suppose if we have two strings, string A and string B. This concat method helps us to join both the strings and create a new string. And also remember, it doesn't change the existing string and it returns a new string. With the example, let us understand it better. Here I'll write var string. Inside this I'll write how are you. With this we'll create one more variable named string2. Inside this I'll write nice to meet you. This concat method helps us to join both the string 1 and string 2. For this we'll simply write var a equals to string.str.concat. Inside this round braces we'll write str2. Let us check this. Here you can see we got how are you, nice to meet you. Both the sentences we have joined using the method called concat. This method joins two or more string. This is my string first. This is the second. To join both of them we have simply used a method called concat, or you can say concatenation. And it doesn't change the existing string, but it returns us a new string. This is how this concat method works. Then the next we have is the split method. For this, the method splits a string into an array of substring and returns a new array. Suppose if I write, I'll just remove this. I'll write how are you, nice to meet you in a single line. For this I'll use var a equals to str.split. Here we are using this split. After this I'll write, here inside this round braces we are using single quotes and we'll print this. After every letter we got the comma. Here you can see. Suppose if I write A, after that A is missing, here we are getting the comma. Instead of A, if I write E, both the E are missing here. This splits a string into an array of the substring and returns us the new string. Instead of this, if I write dot, nothing happens. This is how this split method works. And the next we have is repeat. As the name itself says, repeat means repetition or copies. I'll simply write string dot repeat here. Inside this I'll write 8. Let us check. Here you can see we got this string how how are you, nice to meet you 8 times. Suppose if I write 18, we'll get it 18 times. This method returns a string with the number of copies of a string. It returns us a new string with the number of copies. And the last one we have is the slice method. Okay. This method extracts the part of a string and returns us a new string. If I write, I'll simply remove this repeat. Instead of this, I'll write slice. Here again we are using this round braces. If I write 4, here you can see the first 4 letters are missing here. In case if I write 1, H is missing. This is how this slice method works. In case if I want to remove all this, how are you? I just want nice to meet you. Then I'll simply remove. I'll write 9 here. Wait. Okay. If I write 11, all this will get sliced. When I wrote 9, why we got this OU? You may ask me. Because it counts the empty spaces also. If I remove this empty spaces, then simply it will count from 1, 2, 3, so on. If I give more spaces, you can see here we got everything here. This is how this slice method works. I'll just summarize. We have seen this. First one we have seen is the concat method. It simply joins 2 or more string. Then we have seen the split method. It just splits a string into an array. Then comes the repeat. Repeat itself says repetition. This method returns the string with the number of copies. Then at the last we have is a slice. Slice method extracts the part of a string. We are left with the 4 more. And the extra one left is this trim. We'll learn about this in our next video. If you like this video, do subscribe my channel for more videos. And also share with your friends who are interested in learning web development course. Thanks for watching this video.